Given this 28th day of October at the Oasis Compound Security Forces Hospital Recreational Court, Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, signed by Alvin Medina, Tournament Coordinator, Secretaries Bernardin Fontanilla, our Vice President Marco Berzuela, and our President Edgardo Espinosa. Thank you very much.
A round of applause po para sa mga bayan. Just for your information, they are the team who played for the entire tournament even without a single win. So we salute you for sustaining. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. The Sportsmanship Award goes to Eurocade. Palakpakan po ulit para sa Eurocade.
Thank you, Hurricane.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ayoko lang yan. Bibigay ko sa kanya.
Next award, Best Speaker from Tana Hospital, Jovel Poras.
Congratulations. Kendra. Ayan, congratulations, Kendra.
We have Best Spiker, Rafi Malayas from Heads Up. Spiker.
Best spiker pala.
Ito po lahat yung statistics ng ating mga able to meet. And then we have Best Setter from Kudo, Rubian Dicta. Next, we have Best Blocker from Heads Up, Janice Igalner.
Congratulations.
Kasi hindi sa taas nun eh, kundi sa pag-record na sa block. 6-2 pa lang pangalan. And we have a best score, Maria Merichet or Chikoy from Gala.
Yeah, representative po. Lapit po, representative. Sige na.
Anybody from Gala?
Sige na po, sige na po.
Buha lang.
Ayan.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are our best 6 players. Applause naman dyan.
Ayan, congratulations to lahat ng winners. You all deserve what you have. Maraming salamat po. Ang next award po.
Coffee plus gift item from Basanta.
Ayaw pa ako
For our musical 6.
record mo ba? Hindi.
Number 1. And then and a trophy from the Angels. Medical 6.
Yes.
In any order. Kathy Malayas from Heads Up.
Congratulations, Kathy, for another award.
Puro sato! Puro sato!
Parang mo yan, Miss Kathy.
Kaya kailangan mo pang puro.
Beth Alba from Kudu.
Ayan, si Ate Beth.
Ma'am Kathy.
Ayan. Yung trophies po natin, courtesy of Anjas, and yung ating hair, ano tawag yan, hair machines, mga pang beauty products, courtesy of Mr. Rami Basanta.
We have Miss Maan Aleta from Kudu.
Congratulations, Miss Maan Aleta.
Next, we have Lian Caniego from... We have next Ruby Ann Bitas from Kudu.
Ruby Ann. Nanalo niya si Ruby Ann ng best seven.
And to complete our mythical six, we have Cherilyn Langkay from FBAC.
Yeah, si Len.
Our mythical six received a trophy from NJAS and a gift from Rani Basanta of Dubai.
Yes. Ayan, congratulations po, palakpakan sa ating Mythical Six.
From this mythical six, we will take one of them to become the MVPs for the First Mobile Women's Volleyball Tournament 2011. And to receive a trophy from
And Jess,
Bill Save,
thank you,
a
Save.
gift from Mr. Rani Basanta, and a teddy bear.
Sino ang hula nyo?
We have number one from Kudu, Elizabeth Alba.
Now, MVP for Mobile's first Women's Volleyball Tournament 2011, Miss Alba.
Go Alba!
Congratulations.
Okay, so we'll be announcing now our third placer. Our third placer is from Dala Hospital. We will call on Dala, all members of Dala team, all the players.
Lapit po. Lahat po.
Because we will be giving you an individual